With the QM-Fit, precision measurements take just seconds. No setup, no alignment, just place the part and go. In just seconds, measurements are complete. It's that easy for anyone, no matter their skill level. Automatic recognition, immediate results, and confidence in every measurement. The new Mitutoyo QM-Fit. Faster measurements, accurate results. See how fast the QM-Fit changes the way you manufacture.